Welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing bonnet, and it's also what they call the chef cap. So let's go. So welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome to Larry sewing class, or sewing class with Larry, as you would like to call it. Today we'll be doing bonnets. This is the head bonnet, or probably you call it the chef cap. It depends on how you want it. As far as it's going to the head, it fits perfectly for it. So if you are new here, please kindly subscribe to my channel. If you are an existing customer or subscriber, thank you very much for coming. I really appreciate every time, every second you spend watching my video. I hope this is educative, and I hope this teaches you some new things. Yes, thank you very much. If you haven't subscribed, please kindly just subscribe, and please like my channel, please. That goes a long way. That shows the algorithm that yes, there's a content that is good, as adding value to people. So yes, let's start the tutorial. First of all, I have to make sure my clothes are ironed. I have to make sure my clothes are very, very ironed. So yeah, so after folding them, what I did was a basic one. The measurement I took for my round cap is 9.5. 9.5. That's the minimum, 9.5, because I don't want it to be too much. But for other things, I will advise you to make it 10.5 or 11.5 or even 12, depending on how you want it to pop up at the upper side. So mine, I want it to be as basic as possible, so I make it 9.5. So that's what I just did, 9.5. And I scroll it and I took the same measurement down, 9.5. So this is just to make it basic, like I said. Not too much puffy, not smaller. No, exactly what I wanted. So I did the same. So I'm creating a circle of 9.5. So that means a circle of 9.5 circumference all round. Yes. Yeah, so that's what we're doing. That's why I just did 9.5. I'm trying to reduce my fabric. If you know me, you know I don't waste fabric. I make sure I get my fabrics accurate, because a smaller saved fabric can save a lot of stuff. So yes. So that's what I'm doing, 9.5. So knock it out. If you haven't watched my video when I talked about apron, please kindly go on my YouTube channel. I'll probably drop the link also. I have a apron video, I have the trousers and every other thing on my channel. Yeah, I have a lot of content, easy to make at home. So yes, 9.5, I'm cutting it out. So yes, that's what I want. That's what I use. I notch the both sides. I make sure I have a perfect notch, because if I'm pleating it, I make sure my notch is meeting on the other side. I'm making 3 of these different colors, like you see in the first video. Yeah, before the start of the video, that's what you saw first. So I'm making 3 designs. So this is what I have. If I wanted to be bigger, I would have just done 10.5, but I just want it to be exact and accurate. So yes, you can see the example I just did. So I plait it to heat. So because I like my design, I don't want to use the same fabric, which is an Ankara or African fabric. At the same time, I want to use something different. So I decided to go for a black fabric. Yes, you heard me right, a black fabric. So I wanted something that would not be the regular same combination. Yes, so I'm using a black fabric. Well, in a way, this is ordered by a customer, so that's what they ordered for. So yes, if you want to make the same fabric, it's okay. So yes, so because the biggest circumference of the head that I know of is 23. The biggest circumference of the head is 23. I'm not sure there's any other head bigger than 23, apart from I don't know what to call that, but the biggest part is 23. So what I'll be doing is the length of the head I'll be using is 23. Note, I'm adding elastic to it, so I'll make it 24, 25, because I'm adding elastic. My elastic will bring it closer back to my head. So yes, that's what I'm doing, 24, 25, depending on how I want it to be. And because of the band of the cap, I'm making it 2 inch. 1.5 is the basic one that it will be, but half inch is for the joining. Half inch is for the joining. I'll take it again, half inch is for the joining. So what I need in total for my length is 4 inch. So folding it together will give me 2 inch. So that's what I just did, 2 inch, all around 2 inch. So half of it on the upper side. So I have my I have my band. Yes. Yes. So that's it. So what I need to do is now the same notch I did on those ones, I'll have to fold this into 4 and create the same notch. So that's what I'll do. Fold it 1, fold it again 2. So each of the fold creates a balance that yes, this is what I want, and so I cannot see if I'm doing my pleat, it stops at the exact spot. It doesn't go like one is bigger than the other one is not smaller. No, that's the same. So that's why that's the essence of notching the fabric. Yes. So yes, that's why I just did. I'm notching it so it's easier for me to work from pleat to pleat. So yes. So you see, this is what I'm doing. I'll be putting it back to the original, to the next notch. So now let's go to the sewing machine. Let's go. If you haven't subscribed, please kindly subscribe. Just click on the subscribe button, please. Just click on subscribe button. It goes a long way. Just also let me know that yes, someone is learning from what I'm doing. Yes, it also motivates me to do more. So yes, I'm sorry I'm using another fabric. I just doing a video to make sure that we all get it. So that is that's the notch on all the parts. Yes. So now I have to fold it first and join it down 1/2 inch. Yeah, 1/2 inch. Yes, that's it. Have you liked? By now you should have liked my video. I'm sure you liked it to this extent. Please just click on the like button. I have more different bonnets sample I'll be making after this video. I'll be dropping that one shortly after this one. Yes, so please, if you have any question, drop it on the comment section. I promise you I'll be replying comments, and I won't stop now. I continue to learn to help people in learning this fashion journey. So yes, I'm starting from my journey, which is a notch on its own. So yes, the next one is to start the pleat step by step. It has to be equal. That's why I created a notch. Step by step. So pleat them gradually. I keep pleating till I have it all round. So we're still pleating. Yes. It, please. Like I said, if you like the video, please kindly like it. Kindly share if possible. Yes, kindly share to help the channel grow. There's still few subscribers. We can do more. Yes. And I honor and respect those that are subscribed to this extent, and those that are commenting have been replying very fast. Yes, very, very fast. So yes, thank you very much. So now I'm doing the pleats. You can see I'm taking it gentle because I make sure the pleats are equal all around. They are equal all around, not one bigger, one smaller. So it doesn't look funny when you wear it. So that's the essence of it. So now the plate is finally done with the plate. So we'll be turning it over to now tape it in, but before then we'll be adding our elastic to it. Yes, I have to make sure I open the stitch. You can see what I'm saying. Yes, that's the effect. I want it to be as this exactly. This is used for probably a chef cap or probably a what's it called, bonnet. Yes, so just make sure that the middle part is open. Yes, so Now I'm introducing an elastic. I've written an elastic to mine, so yes, written an elastic. So because I wanted it to have enough space, I'm doing 4 on both sides. You can do 3.5 on your own side as far as you want it to be, because my own cap is bigger. I want it to be something that will be adjustable. You can easily fit into anybody, any shape and any size. So that's what I'll be doing. So I'll be cutting 3.5 or 4 depending on how you want it to be. And I'll expand it. Yes, the better is catching the head than it's too loose. So yes, I'll be starting from one corner, then I'll be dragging it to the other side. So it's not a must to use this elastic 1.5 inch. You can use the elastic of 1 inch or probably ½ inch, as far as there's something that will drag it together. That's the essence. Yes, so yes, I drag it in. Open the stitch first, please don't forget. Halfway, then drag half to the half. Yes, then stitch it down. Have to drag it. That's the way it will work. Yes, then drag it to the other side also. So in case you're even wearing a wig or anything, it's still bigger enough to contain your wig and everything. That's the beauty of it. So yes, that's the elastic done. So now it's time to fold it in. ½ inch small, then yes. So don't forget that I have to still take ½ inch. The final stitch is on the outside, not on the inside. You can control it the outside if it's better you control it outside and you're controlling it from the inside. The outside is way better. So that's what we're doing. So I'm controlling from the outside as the final stitch. So yes, so now fold this ½ inch in. So just step by step, gradually, no rush, you don't have to put yourself in any pressure. But you can even bring out the fabric inside so it's easier, but because of my video, I have to make sure I'm showing you step by step. Yes, gradually. So ½ inch, then fold. Don't forget that my band is supposed to be 1.5, so that's what I'm doing. 1.5 is the aim for the band, so that's how I'll do it all around. If you have liked it to this extent, can you please like the video, and please subscribe if you haven't subscribed. I have a lot of people that are watching my video without subscribing. Please subscribe so that it helps the algorithm. And also, if you have enjoyed this file, even if you're watching on your TV, just click on the like button on the side. Once you take it up, you can easily like the button. Click on like button from your TV. Please just subscribe also to my channel if you haven't. Thank you. God bless you. I have a video on how to make a suit from beginning to the end. I have a video on how to make the trousers, elastic trousers, pants trousers, apron, bonnet, like this one you're watching, and many others. Just check my channel, you see. And if you want a direct tutorial from me, please email me. My email is on my profile on YouTube. You can check it out. Or yes, you can check it out and drop a message for me. I'll be glad to teach you. And I also have a video on how to make corsets. I'll be posting that one shortly also on my video. You can check my channel to be there. Yes. So now I'm at the final stage. Just make sure that the knitting is done perfectly. Yes. So that's it. So yes, you can see the elastic. So it means no matter the head, to fit in without stress at all. And the net will be the down part of the back side, so nobody will see anything coming up. So yes, that's it. If you have liked it to this extent, please like my video. So yes, that's the effect. That's the final. I just need to iron the band edge, and we're good to go. You can see. So please, if you have liked to this extent, if you have watched to this extent, thank you very much. Please subscribe also. Drop a comment if you have any question. I'll be glad to answer. I'll be very much glad to answer. So we do from ladies to men. So this is the final result now in 3 colors. Thank you very much.